Okay, well, I come across this cigarette rolling machine, and I just wanted to tell you about it in case you want to get one. And it's about 80 bucks online, and worth every penny. So I'm gonna put this camera on my head and go ahead and roll a few here and show you. So yeah, it takes some getting used to. I guarantee you the first couple times you try, unless you've done it before, it's not gonna be too easy. But I will tell you this, if you get tobacco like this one that's really super stringy, then I recommend you chop it up a little bit. So this is fresh, this has been chopped up a little. I will tell you this, if you read the instruction sheet, it tells you to pack the corners. But if you pack anything in here at all very tight, it won't roll them. They'll jam up on you. So I don't even pack it down in there, just kind of, just lightly, you know, and then on there. And then I hold the end of it just a little bit. Now that one did really good. It went all the way in. It's tight down here at the bottom. That's where you'll end up having trouble. So you still kind of have to pack them a little bit sometimes, and you know, then just roll them off like that if you're going to put them in a cigarette pack. That way they don't, otherwise you'll have the tobacco will fall out, you know, and you don't want that. Let's do another one. Now this time I'm going to pack it down in there. I'm going to pack it. You'll get these stem pieces too. Watch out for those. Now I'm going to pack this in and I'm going to show you. Look, pack it down the corners like the instructions tell you. Now we'll get very lucky if it works. Yeah, see? So you can't, yeah, so we only got the last little bit. So like I said, you got to play with it. It's a learning curve. It's well worth it though. But you can just try to reuse them. That's what I do. They're so cheap anyway, these papers, you know. So yeah, there's enough in there. So yeah, now this time I'm not going to touch it much. Try again here. They give you a little brush and a little cleaner and all this, so you can clean this area right here. But really, you can see I haven't even opened it yet. You don't even really need it. Alright, I'm not going to mess with that one right now. I'll load it later. Let's try again. So I just went lightly here. Nope, didn't get it. Alright, so you can see how it takes a little learning curve to it. There ain't no big gig. You'll get it right. Just keep trying. And I kind of mix it like the ground up, the chopped up stuff. Mix it up a little bit with the longer strand, whatever. Let's try again. Almost. You can still smoke it, but anyway, the first one I rolled was the easiest and best one. Let me try again. And I recommend you try different papers too. Just try everything you can. But I say I haven't rolled any with this for a few weeks, but I sat here after we first got it, and I was packing it too tight. Then none of them coming out right. And then I realized, there you go, just put it in there real lightly, and you're good to go. But we still use the hand roller. Sometimes I'll show you it real quick if you never rolled cigarettes before. But it's a little easier, I think, because you can pack it a little tighter. I just kind of shove it down there like that, and then what I do is I add a little extra to the back end and to the front end, kind of like they're telling you with this one to pack the corners. And then yeah, just use these short ones. This is made for the longer ones, this hand roller. Yeah, so that was pretty easy. See how short they are? They don't want to push back out. I was getting in a hurry. Whoop. These are too short for this one. This one takes the long ones, these here, and it takes these 100s. This takes the 100s. You can still roll the shorter ones with it, but you can't roll the longer ones with this one. So anyway, if you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description. Go check it out. Yeah, they're about 80 bucks on Amazon, and once you get used to it, you can roll them pretty quick. I can roll them pretty quick with this one too, because I'm used to it. But yeah, you can roll a whole pack probably in just a matter of minutes once you get going. And oh, it comes with this carry case. Comes with this travel case deal, so you can take it with you, so that's pretty neat. It comes with the cord, you know, and it comes with everything, obviously. So, and a warranty. I will tell you this, if you buy them at a local store, you might not be able to return them. They told us before we bought this one uptown that You can't return it no matter what. And then it comes with a warranty though, so I recommend just register with the warranty and go from there. But all right, thanks for watching. I'll catch you later. Don't forget to check the links in the description. See ya.